welcome back to Practically Creative. Today we are going to do something that I promised a couple of weeks ago to do. And that is, we're going to clean my wool mat. Now, some of that's not going to come off. This is heat stains from having the iron sitting on the mat. But we're going to use a lint roller on half of it, and we're going to use an eraser on half of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see which one picks up stuff the best. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my lint roller, roll it back and forth over here on this half of it. Seems to be doing a pretty good job of picking up the threads that are on here. And I was supposed to do this a while back, but I got sidetracked, and when I recorded this the first time, I lost the footage like a dingbat. So I had to wait for my wool mat to get dirty enough again for it to actually be visible that there was a difference in how it looked between when I cleaned it and before and when I cleaned it. There we go. We find a way to talk today. Now that's the eraser. That did pretty well. The wool mat, the lint roller picked up the threads off the wool mat, but it doesn't seem to have gotten down in there and gotten all the stuff that's really down in the mat. So I'm going to use the eraser here, and I'm going to go over the side that the lint roller was on real quick. And you may not be able to see it, but there are little fine white fibers on here. If I were really honest, it's probably dog hair, because although my dog is a Chihuahua and she is very short-haired, I still find her hair everywhere, including on my wool mats, even though she's never allowed to go near them. So that's what the eraser took off of there. Still a couple little fine white fibers on there, but that may actually be part of the wool mat. And the lint roller took off, like I said, the big thread and stuff. So my conclusion is they both do a good job. The lint roller gets the big stuff, and the rubber eraser gets the finer stuff that's on there. So use either one that you like to clean your wool mat, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.